Hello everyone, welcome back to Ian's Little Bit of Everything. After a magical day exploring the wonders of Pisa, we are back in Florence. As the golden hour begins, we are making our way to Piazza Michelangelo, one of the most breathtaking viewpoints in the city. The walk up is totally worth it, with every step offering a sneak peek of what's to come. Once we reach the top, we are greeted with the panoramic view of Florence, the Duomo, the Arno River, and the rooftops glowing in the warm sunset light. It's peaceful, romantic, and the perfect way to end a day full of memories. From up at Piazza Michelangelo, we had the perfect view. It's like the whole city paused just to admire the beauty of nature. Perched on a hill on the south bank of Arno River, Piazza Michelangelo is one of the Florence's most iconic and beloved spots. As the sun began to dip below the Tuscan hills, the entire city of Florence lit up in warm golden tones. The sky slowly shifted from gold to orange, then pink and lavender, casting a dreamy hue over the city. At the center of Piazza, you will find a bronze replica of Michelangelo's David, proudly standing with Florence as its backdrop. After watching the sunset over Florence from the stunning Piazza Michelangelo, we made our way back down, hearts full and stomach ready to have some food. Post dinner, we caught tram back to our hotel. It was the perfect end to an unforgettable day, from the Leaning Tower of Pisa to the sunset at Piazza Michelangelo, and finally a cozy ride back to rest and recharge for tomorrow's adventure. After a restful night, we started our day right at the heart of Florence, standing before the breathtaking Duomo di Firenze. The Duomo di Firenze is a masterpiece of art, architecture, and history. It's also known as Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in Italy. The first thing you'll notice is its massive red tile dome. It dominates the Florence skyline. Up close, the cathedral's exterior is a stunning mix of white, green, and pink marble, intricately carved with statues, rose windows, and religious scenes. Beside the cathedral stands the Giotto's bell tower, offering incredible views. The piazza in front of the Duomo was alive with energy, crowded with tourists and locals alike, all gathered to marvel at Florence's stunning cathedral. Everyone was soaking in the breathtaking architecture, snapping photos, and sharing moments of awe. Despite the crowd, the sheer beauty of Duomo made the space feel magical. While exploring the square near the Duomo, Ian found a few feathered friends. He gently fed the pigeons, laughing every time they fluttered closer. Once we soaked in the energy of bustling piazza, we wandered off to explore the narrow, winding streets that makes Florence so enchanting. Cobblestone paths, colorful buildings, cozy cafes, every corner felt like stepping into a living postcard. After wandering, we made our way towards Piazza del Signoria, one of the Florence's most famous squares. Known as the city's political and cultural hub for centuries, this piazza is filled with stunning sculptures, historic buildings, and vibrant street life. From the majestic Palazzo Vecchio, standing tall like a fortress, to the impressive outdoor gallery of statues, every step here feels like walking through a living museum. After soaking up in the beauty and history of Piazza del Signoria, we found ourselves once again wandering through Florence's enchanting streets. Every alley and a corner seemed to have its own story, from little boutiques and gelato shops to centuries old buildings with flower filled balconies. As we continued exploring, we came across something truly unique: Florence's famous wine holes. These tiny arched windows are used to serve wine. Now we have reached at the stunning Basilica of Santa Maria Novella, one of the Florence's oldest and most important churches. This basilica is lined with elegant green and white marble facade, blending Gothic and early Renaissance styles in the most graceful way. There is a garden too, offering a quiet break from the busy city streets. After that, we made our way to one of the Florence's most famous landmarks, the Ponte Vecchio. This historic bridge is unlike any other, lined with charming little shops that seems to float above the river. The Ponte Vecchio, meaning Old Bridge, is more than just a way to cross the Arno River. Originally built in the Roman times and rebuilt in the 14th century, it's the oldest stone bridge in the city. After exploring the charm of Ponte Vecchio, we headed back to hotel.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Florence.
Florence.
Where are we going next?
It's
To Rome.
Rome. That is on the tour today. Bye.
After packing our bags, we are ready for the next adventure. We made our way to the train station, excited to our final destination, Rome. We are about to catch train from Florence to Rome. The ride from Florence to Rome takes around 2 hours. There is something so peaceful about watching Italy roll by from a train window. Golden fields, little villages, and rolling hills passing like scenes from a movie. That's all for today's video. Make sure to stay tuned. There's plenty more adventure coming your way. Please like, share, and subscribe. Iron's little bit of everything.